Hello students, good morning. Once again, welcome to our St. Thomas High School, Mohua. Myself Nimisha Mehta. Today let's start chapter number 13, Articles. बच्चे chapter number 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 we will see in semester 2. So, dear students, let's start articles. Articles means a and the. A, an, and the are called articles. They are used before nouns and noun phrases. Many times we using I have a pen. A pen. A pen means only singular. We use article a or an for singular noun only. So, first we know about a is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases that begin with consonant sounds. Do you know? In alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In that alphabet, some are called consonant and few are called vowels. Do you know? A, E, I, O, U. It's called vowels. We do pronunciation with A, E, I, O, U. It's called vowels. So, let's understand here. A is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases that begin with consonant sounds. A cow, a soap, a uniform, a unit, a glass of milk, a mischievous boy. So here they first given for A. Now we go as per N. N is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases that begin with vowel sounds. I explain now बच्चे. Vowel sounds. Inkpot, egg, unkind remark or है ना? Or one story I tell. One time teacher explaining grammar in the class. Then one curious boy asked question. Why teacher we didn't speak as a hover, honest? Teacher explained. In these words H are silent. So this naughty boy, curious boy, not understand in very well explanation. So he asked again, why we using that hover, honest this way? Teacher again explain in very well situation that H is a silent word. One time teacher told him, you go out and eat this food. So this fellow means this student confused and he H remove and remain this spelling EAT, eat this food. So the teacher what you did? You did not eat this food. Then these students told, I ate silent and eat this food. This way in this lesson some are silent words. We can't pronunciation at hover, honest. We honest or. Okay बच्चे. So we use before that noun n. A-N-N. Understand? Okay. A and N are called the indefinite articles because they refer in general to any person, animal or thing. So बच्चे, I hope you understand the article about A or N. A we use with consonant and A and N we use with vowel sounds. Okay, so we go with our further exercises बच्चे. So here exercise A. Fill in the blanks with A or N. First one, Parul saw a little octopus. When they given only octopus, so we use N. But here they given little octopus, so we use only article A. Parul saw a little octopus in an aquarium. Aquarium, we use pronunciation A, aquarium. So we use article before aquarium, A-N-N. An octopus is a sea animal. It has a soft body and 8 tentacles. Parul has a fish bowl in her home. She keeps a goldfish in it. Raghav has a book. The first page has pictures of a unicorn. Why here they use before you? A unicorn. U we pronunciation is Y-U. So we use A, article A before unicorn. Don't use A-N-N because pronunciation U. And an owl. Owl, do you know? No. A-E-O-I-U. These vowel sounds. A unicorn is an imaginary animal. E. Raghav's book also has a picture of a monkey swinging on a branch. There is a baby monkey with an apple in its hand. Okay बच्चे, so I hope you understand this exercise. Now we go as per article D. D is called the definite article because it refers to a particular person, animal or thing. We use D before we talk about particular person, animal or thing. When we use the article D. In next page, they given some rules. The following are the important uses of D. Before a noun that refers to something specific or a noun that already been mentioned. When we use the first rule they given before a noun that refers to something specific or a noun that has already been mentioned. Particular mention, this dress only. The dress Neha bought is very colorful. Here particular thing, the dress. In this sentence we are not talking about any dress but the particular dress that Neha bought. Understand बच्चे? I saw a film yesterday. The film was very interesting. We use the definite article in the second sentence because we are talking about the film which has already been mentioned in the first sentence. I saw a film yesterday. The film was very interesting. We talk further about this film only. So we use here the. this film which we seen yesterday. So बच्चे keep in mind we use article the when we talk about specific particular thing, animal, person. Okay. We use the definite article in the second sentence because we are talking about the film which has already been mentioned in the first sentence. Second rule, before a singular countable noun, when it represents the whole class it belongs to. The dog is a faithful animal. The banyan tree is huge. We talk particular dog, a particular banyan tree. Okay, understand now? Next rule. Before superlatives and before nouns that refers to something unique. We understand in chapter 6 adjectives and comparison. So before the superlative form we use the strongest, the youngest. Remind no? Remember no? Okay. Good children. I am the tallest girl in my class. The year superlative form. The sun sets in the west. This unique only. Universal truth. Unique only. So we use the sun sets in the west. कई बार ईस्ट में होता है सेट्स? नो. The sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west. It is unique. Universal truth. So we use article the. The moon shines in the sky. So बच्चे, each noun here refers to something that is unique and only one of its kind. Moon only one, sun only one, है ना? One thing. Okay बच्चे. Next rule. Before some proper nouns like the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, holy books, trains, ships, aeroplanes, famous buildings and newspapers. Before that we use article the. The Nile flows through Egypt. Here they talk about river. So we use Nile before article the. A ship drawn in the Arabian Sea. We talk about sea. So we use the. Understand बच्चे? We go for next rule. Before uncountable nouns that have been made particular they use here before uncountable nouns that have been made particular. So I drank the milk. Here बच्चे, I drank the milk that you had kept in the kitchen. We talk about which milk we already kept in the kitchen. So we use the. The wood used by the carpenter was of poor quality. Whatever this carpenter used, we talk about this wood. So we use particular the wood. Next, last rule. Before names of the inhabitants of various countries. The French are known for their style and manners. We talk about this French only. So we use the. The Japanese work hard. So we talk about the people of Japan, Japanese. So we use here the. Okay, बच्चे. Now we go as per our next page. Rule. We did not use the in the following context when we don't use. Here the given. Before proper nouns except in the cases mentioned in the list above. When we use particular specific name. Person name. Mohit lives in Paris. Country is a proper name. Do you know country name? India. We don't write the India. Okay? Before abstract nouns and uncountable nouns, unless they have been made particular. Wisdom comes with age. Juice is very refreshing. The juice. We don't use. Only we use simple the. Only juice is very refreshing. Before the names of some materials like gold, silver, paper. Gold is a precious. We use only gold. The bride's jewelry was made of gold. The flowers were made of paper. Simple. Last rule. Before the names of games and languages. I am learning to speak French. I play cricket with my friends. So don't use before particular game or language. Okay, बच्चे. We only use grammar. English, no? Okay, बच्चे. I hope you understand these rules of articles. Any doubt then ask. And in next video we will see this exercise B, C, D. Okay, बच्चे. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.